Hello, it's Diana Marchand, and I am taping this. It's not a Facebook Live because our internet did not work tonight. I don't know, storm outside, I guess. I have no idea why. Anyways, so I am taping this and then I'm uploading it. And what I want to tell you about is a series of videos that I'm going to do on vibrant energy and health and weight loss in midlife and the shifts required to have those things, to obtain those things in your life. So tomorrow will be the first one. That'll be Friday, and then it'll go Saturday, Sunday, and however many days I decide to do it. I'm just going to outline it. So why I'm doing this is because, well, I have a new program coming up called The Shift, and I thought this would be a perfect way to talk about the things I'm going to cover. So of course I'm going to tell you and give you information and give you good content about some of the things so that you can even get started on this yourself. Even if you join or do not join the program, it doesn't matter. You're going to get lots of value out of this video series. So what I decided to talk about, like what it really is required and what I have learned over the years of helping women through the midlife phase and beyond. So that means when they start having these hormonal changes in their body and their body starts acting differently, right? So like you have some of the symptoms that are digestive problems, sleep problems, more stress, more overwhelm, feeling fatigued, even exhausted, going into adrenal fatigue, low sex drive, bad cramping, really super heavy periods all over the place, emotional issues, being so over emotional. Those are some of the emotional. And then of course the physical ones, right? Where you can end up with way more digestive problems, like a lot, food sensitivities, a lot of headaches, right? A lot of headaches. Of course, the weight gain in the midsection, the weight gain, the sleep problems. That is because of the hormones, right? So your hormones are fluctuating and shifting. Now, that is perimenopause. And yes, you go through menopause. And then on the other side, supposedly, right, everything will be wonderful again. The thing is that if you haven't, which we're going to talk about too, if you haven't brought your body back into better balance while you are going through that, if you haven't taken time to work on yourself physically and emotionally, right? Then when you finish, even when you finish menopause, your body will still be all out of it because you have not adjusted what you need to adjust because you are going into another phase of your life. That is the reality, okay? And some of the things I want to talk about are more of the mental stuff and psychological and emotional things that you need to get, that you work on within ourselves and that I work on with my clients so that they make the lasting change and make the changes in a way that feels good to them. So you can know what to eat, you can read a recipe book, I can give you recipes, but often it's like, well, all these excuses and stories come up on why you can't do that, why you don't have enough time. And then there's the stress and the overwhelm in your life and the demands and all these things that you got to do and you don't know how to deal with things and you're da la la la. That is the stuff that is stopping you. It is not the food. I can tell you, once you learn what foods are right for you at this phase of life, that is easy. It is all the other things that we have piled on top of it, all of our excuses, our stories, our emotional issues, the imbalances, the stress, the overwhelm, the over emotion, the ups and downs, the feeling fatigued, the feeling tired, feeling like I can't make change, not knowing how to make all of that stuff that really does get in the way. So what we're going to talk about in this series is the shift that is required, the shift in your state of being, a shift in your focus, where you're putting your focus during the day and within your life, where your focus is, your perception, how you can make these little easy shifts in your perception, how you see things, how you think about things, how you deal with things that can make a huge difference in your life. Huge difference. Make things so much easier. Shift in your beliefs. So some shifts in your beliefs that you required. And of course, shifts in your energy. Now, of course, that has to do with what you eat, but it's also in the energy you allow that's in your space around you, working environment, home environment, the energy that you are giving off and the energy that you are allowing in from other people and other things and drama and stressors in your life. That is huge. I'd say this is probably one of the most important things. So I'm going to talk exactly about that energy, what that is, and how you are actually allowing it to change your energy and affect your body and you're not even aware of it, okay? Can lead to you feeling fatigued, even headachy, super tired, exhausted, stressed, frustrated, angry. That is the energy can incorporate all of this. The energy you allow in and the energy you're giving off and the energy you are allowing in without even realizing it. And then it all leads to how when you make shifts in all those areas, it leads you to taking positive action, an action that feels good for you, an action that you are going to continue. So it's no more getting off track, right? It's just like, well, I naturally do this now. This is my life, right? So it's like making shifts in those areas help to bring everything into a more simplistic way. You're like, oh, now I get it. Because this, I feel more in flow. Things are easier. I'm not letting as many things bother me. I have more loving boundaries around me. I have more clear focus. I know where I'm going. I know where to focus my energy. I know where to focus my thoughts. I've shifted and changes these things, and now everything is so much easier, right? That is what's possible for you. I know that because that's what I help my clients with. So I know it's possible. So I'm going to be covering these things in videos throughout the week. I hope you join me in this series. And tomorrow, I hope my internet's working better. Much love. And you can check out my site for some free trainings on why you have the weight gain over 40 and what you can do about it. And also prepping and planning to eat healthy all week. That is on my site, dianamarchand.com. Okay? You can look for the free resources there. And I also have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of YouTube videos, from recipes to mindset stuff to tons of info on the food to eat in this phase of your life. So check me out on YouTube at Diana Marchand and subscribe. All right, much love to you. Bye-bye.